Hello, Bhaiya. The session was really nice, and I'm not from the tech background. I'm more into like product roles, project roles, but I still learn a lot, and I like sometimes I also work on my personal projects, and definitely whatever you're sharing right now, especially the like website thing, personal portfolio, I can also make them now without any like external help, and yeah, and the other thing, like I'm also working on few things which are related to it, and I have few questions which I will ask after this job and cohort. Till then, for the feedback, I would say, like how, like after even like making it, deploying it, how we can bring more engagement to like if I build any product kind of thing, how to bring that thing so that it can help me or like people like me who are working like for something their own. It will help us to grow. Thank you.